Christmas time is full of magic. Ordinary things turn into magic ones. Do you want to know how? Watch it in our new video, How to Transform Plain Christmas Ornaments into Edible Ones. Christmas time is coming. We should decorate the room, but neither of us is in the Christmas spirit. Even sparkly tinsel can't make us happy. No holiday cheer is being spread around. We can hardly assemble a Christmas tree. It keeps falling and can't stand upright. Finally, we managed to assemble the tree, though there's a gap in the middle. Did a squirrel hollow used to be there? We disguised the hollow with tinsel. We can't make it better, however we try. Oh, it seems we've just doubled the tinsel. Let's see what we have in our box full of Christmas decorations. My friend puts on a reindeer headband. I take bells. At least we can do a Jingle Bells clip. Or shoot a movie, How to Get Over Christmas. We want to have the room decorated and the holiday cheer spread around. The Fairy of Holiday and Joy has heard our wish. She comes to spread a little Christmas cheer. The fairy is sure we're so exhausted and unhappy because we are hungry, so she conjures an edible Christmas ball ornament. Inflate a little balloon. Roll up sugar paste. Wrap it around the balloon. Carefully smooth and pull up the edges. Twist it to fasten. Put the wrapped balloon into a cup and let it dry overnight. When dry, cut off the excess paste. Prick the balloon to take it out. Cut out a little circle from the paste. Apply gelatin in a water solution to the paste ball and attach the circle. Paint the ball with pearl food coloring. Attach a sugar paste cap using the DIY gelatin glue. Use silver food coloring to paint it. Cover the ornament with silver stars using the food coloring and edible glitter. We are amazed! Is it really edible? We break it with a fork and taste. The ball is breakable and chewable. It's delicious! We immediately get into the Christmas spirit. The fairy starts decorating the room. She waves her magic wand to turn the room into Santa Claus's office. She must have learned Christmas design in the Lapland. The fairies transformed an untidy, boring room into a magic Christmas wonderland. Thank you, fairy! The magic continues. The fairy makes up her mind to conjure us Christmas outfits. Voila! We're wearing new clothes. Now we're a unicorn and a cat princess. The fairy has to leave us. She's got a busy schedule before Christmas. Oops! What's this? It's her magic wand. The fairy disappeared so quickly she must have dropped it from her hand. Yahoo! We're going to start Christmas magic. It's amazing! We can feel like real fairies and conjure anything we wish. Let's try to make edible Christmas ornaments first. Transform this ball into a lovely snowman. Pour hot water to cover almonds. Keep them soaked for a duration of 5 to 10 minutes. Peel the skin off easily after that. Keep the almonds on a hot pan for a while to dry. Crush crisp waffles into fine crumbs. Add condensed milk and mix well. The mash shouldn't be too wet. Make sure you can shape a ball. Put a few almonds into a piece of waffle dough. Make a snowball. Shape another smaller ball. Cover them with coconut shavings. Put the balls on each other and top them with a Raffaello candy. Cut out a nose and arms from orange peels. Make holes using a toothpick. Put in the peel details. Draw eyes and a mouth using a food marker. It can see and smile. It's so cute, I can't think of eating it. However, this crafty little unicorn quickly eats the top of the ornament. Oh, and then I'll taste it as well. It tastes as nicely as it looks. The unicorn friend tries on a new image. She uses the magic wand to choose a Christmas accessory for a masquerade. Good luck! If you wear these fancy glasses, even your mom wouldn't recognize you. I've brought more decorations, but the young fairy turns them into an edible icing. Separate egg white from the yolk. Add 3 ounces of sifted confectioner's sugar into the white and stir. When the mass is thick enough, put in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 3 ounces of confectioner's sugar again. Stir the icing thoroughly to get the appropriate consistency. Put the icing into a Ziploc bag. Snip off a corner. Put a printed out picture into a sheet protector. Squeeze the icing to trace the picture. When hardened, carefully peel the sheet protector and remove the decorations. These open work ornaments are beautiful and tasty. Use them to decorate your Christmas tree. Just be careful not to mix them up with the plastic ones. My friend can't put away the magic wand. She wants to turn Christmas ball ornaments into sweet